I'm Alfred Lobry from Edition of Lux Bulldogs. This is a Magmanera. She is a granddaughter of Simplidor Sir Maximilian. She's not bred by us, but we bought her because I think she's a very good quality bitch. She is going to have puppies from Edition of Lux Born to be Bad. Today is her 60 days of whelp, and tomorrow we'll make the cesarean. We believe she's a very good quality and that she will have a nice looking female, a nice looking litter of puppies. She's very heavy in this moment. We don't know how many she's carrying, but you will see it in the next videos. I'm Alfred Lobry from Edition of Lux Bulldogs.